My dear 10th standard students, in social science, question number 42 is a compulsory 5-mark questions. The math question is coming from whether world map or India map. In this video, I prepared how to easily mark the countries and places in the world map. If you are watching this video at the end, definitely you will get 5 marks, which is one of the method easy to understand the countries and places, that is sort out methods. The countries and places sort out according to its direction. First of all, you will take a world map outline and mark the places as it is. Then you draw a plus symbol and write direction. N for north, S for south, W for west, E for east. And what are the countries lies in the northwest direction and southwest direction, southeast direction. What are the countries lies in northeast direction? You write separately what are the countries in northwest direction. United States of America, San Francisco, Canada, Greenland. Southwest direction, Hawaii Island, Brazil. Southeast direction, India, Myanmar, Vietnam, Australia, New Zealand. And finally, northeast direction, Russia, Moscow, China, Korea, Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. In this same way, you can sort out European countries, because most of the European countries lies very closely. Students are confused in this area, so separate, sort out European countries, you can understand the countries easily. European countries, northwest direction countries, United Kingdom, Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, Poland, Denmark, Norway. Southwest direction countries, France, Spain, Portugal, Italy. Southeast directions, Greece, Turkey. Northeast directions, Austria, Hungary, Serbia, Bosnia, Romania, Bulgaria. And finally, African countries, Morocco, Egypt, Africa. Here, only 40 countries and places. Such a way you will remember always. In my experience, this is easy way to understand the countries and places where they are. You draw the boundaries and write name of the countries like this with pencil and erase whatever you drawn and write. In this way, you practice the world map, you can never forget and easily remember the countries. United States of America, San Francisco is a port city in California, US. Canada is a country in the northern part of North America. Greenland is the world's largest island, located between Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. Hawaii Islands It is the most active volcanoes in the world. Brazil is the largest country in both South America and Latin America. India, our country, you know very well. Myanmar, also called as Burma. Next, Vietnam, the Southeast Asian country, you know very well. The great leader Ho Chi Minh. Australia, the smallest continent. Next, New Zealand, a sovereign island country in the Pacific Ocean. Russia is a transcontinental country located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Its capital is Moscow. China is our neighboring country. Coronavirus originated from its Wuhan city. Korea is a region in East Asia. Japan is an island country in East Asia. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, important cities of Japan, was attacked by USA. In this way, you can draw European countries. United Kingdom, Great Britain or England, all are same. Next, Belgium. Next country is Netherlands. Next, Germany. You know Hitler, Kaiser William II. Poland, the center of the Europe. Denmark, Danish, the fourth European came to India. Norway, next European countries, Norway. France was the fifth European come to India, ruled Puducherry nearly 280 years. Spain is a European country. Many Spaniards. Portugal, a small country, is the first European country to come to India. Vasco da Gama, you know very well. Italy, its capital Rome. Vatican City, you know. Greece is a country, ancient cultures. Next, Turkey, Ottoman empires. It is a transcontinental country. Austria, the center of the Europe. Hitler was born in this country. Hungary is a landlocked country. Next European countries, Serbia is one of the landlocked country. Next, Bosnia-Herzegovina, also known as Bosnia. Romania is a southeastern European country. And lastly, Bulgaria is the last European countries. Its capital is Sofia. Like this, African countries, Morocco, and Egypt, country you know very well. Pyramids, Egypt, the famous in Egypt. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent. I hope in the public examination, world map questions will come from these 40 places. So you are practicing regularly, definitely you will get 5 marks. Thank you for watching.